Hello dear friends, we have the question like the under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 up to infinite. So how to solve this type of question? First of all, let's see the basic method to solve this type of question, and then we will see one very shortcut method to find out the answer without doing any type of calculation. So here let's say the value of this is equal to x. Now if you consider this much of portion, this is also under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 plus under root 6 up to infinite. So this value will also equal to x. So here in this question, see under root 6 plus this portion is also equal to x. So in place of this we will put x is equal to x. Now if you do the square on both sides, so here we get 6 plus x, this root and square will be cancelled out, and this side will get x square. So here we get the quadratic equation x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now if you solve this quadratic equation by using factorization method, we can split this minus 3x as minus x as minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. From the first two term we can take x common, and from the second two term we can take 2 common. So here we get x minus 3 multiplied x plus 2 equals to 0. So here we get two values of x. Here we got x equal to plus 3 and x equal to minus 2. But since the negative value is not possible for this question, so here we will consider x equal to 3 is our answer. So this is the traditional way to solve this type of question. Now if you want to solve the question without doing any calculation, see the shortcut method. So here we have the number 6. So split the 6, or we can say write the 6 as the multiplication of two consecutive numbers. So we can write 6 as the multiplication of 2 and 3. Always remember, write the number in two consecutive number, multiplication of two consecutive numbers. So here we can write 6 as multiplication of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are consecutive numbers here. So here we have plus sign here. So our answer will be, the bigger number will be our answer. So among the 2 and 3, the 3 is the bigger number. So 3 is the answer. Suppose in this case, if you have the 12 here, so we can write 12 as the multiplication of two consecutive number. We can write this as 3 multiplied with 4. And here you have the plus sign, it means the bigger number among those two will be our answer. So here 4 is the bigger number, so 4 is the answer. So this is the shortcut method. This way you can solve the any question. Now if we have the minus sign here, then what will be our answer? So here we can write 6 as multiplication of 2 and 3. And here negative sign is there, it means the smaller number will be our answer. Means our answer will be 2. So this is the basic shortcut method to solve this type of question. Now the question is, what happens if we have the numbers which cannot be represented as multiplication of two consecutive numbers? Here 15 cannot be represented as multiplication of two consecutive numbers. Here if you write 3 multiplied with 5, so 3 and 5 are not consecutive numbers. So how will you find out the value of this type of questions? Try it on your own, and if you want to see how to solve this type of question, and if you want to see the shortcut method, check out the video here, click on the I button. Okay.